General Assembly is now in session. 438 times we've done this in Annapolis.
And tonight, ABC 2's Mallory Safaste at the State House with a look at the legislative priorities and some of the controversial bills we'll see ahead. Mallory?
Yeah, Jamie, Kelly, several things in play this year. First off, it's an election year, so you can expect legislators to really think about their votes and how constituents will feel about them come November. However, Governor Larry Hogan asking that everyone put party politics aside and really focus on coming up with bipartisan solutions.
The House is now called to order.
It's a 90-day sprint filled with hurdles, the first being tax reform.
The first thing we have to do is decipher the tax bill that's coming down to us from Washington, D.C.
The impact of the federal tax cuts aren't known just yet, but there's expected to be a high return to the state. Additional money that Governor Larry Hogan has said he will return to taxpayers, despite there being a need for money elsewhere.
Unfortunately, I heard the other day Senator Mike Miller is talking about, keeping some of that money, some of that increased taxes, and I think that's the wrong choice. Maryland is already taxed high enough.
One program that could benefit from additional funding is the Children's Health Insurance Program, or CHIP, that Congress has not reauthorized.
We know we have the challenges in front of us right now of 142,000 kids that don't have health insurance. Then unless the federal government acts, we're going to have to find a way to make sure those kids stay on the health care rolls.
In addition to tackling taxes and health care, crime and the opioid crisis remain top priorities.
Our system is allowing dangerous people, dangerous criminals back out on the streets.
Baltimore Mayor Catherine Pugh saying she delivered a package to the governor on violence reduction.
I talked about the expansion of safe streets and also ROCA, and we also talked about our program to tear down more abortive houses in the city. Very excited about that.
Now, as far as the governor's veto on paid sick leave legislation, the House is expected to vote on overriding that veto tomorrow, the Senate on Friday, and two other key issues that will come up this year are term limits for senators and delegates, as well as strengthening sexual harassment policies. Reporting live in Annapolis, Mallory Safaste, ABC 2 News.